Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. It is Thursday, November 24th, 2022, and here's the integral of the day. We have integral of tan inverse of the square root of x dx. So just by looking at it, I'm like, oh, we're probably going to have to make a substitution and then do something else because the way things are right now, it's not conducive to getting anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and let t equal the square root of x, and then dt would be 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 dx, or just 1 over 2 rad x dx. All right, let me get dx by itself. So that means 2 rad x dt is equal to dx. And then I want to rewrite my whole integral in terms of t, so I'm going to replace this rad x with t. And now we have 2t dt equals dx. So we can rewrite the integral now in terms of t. So we have integral tan inverse of t instead of rad x. And then dx is 2t dt. So I'm going to write it with the 2t in front of tan t and then dt over here. Tan inverse of t. Okay, you might say, oh no, this looks worse, but now we can use integration by parts, which is why I didn't use up the variable u for the substitution. So now it's by parts time since I have a product in my integrand. U is going to have to be tan inverse of t. And then dv, look at this, it's going to be so beautiful. 2t dt, and then v is antiderivative of that, just t squared. Du is derivative of tan inverse of t, so that would be 1 over 1 plus t squared dt. Lovely. So now our integral is going to equal uv, this product here. I'm going to put the t squared in the front so it's more clear. T squared tan inverse of t minus the integral of v du right here. So we've got t squared times 1 over 1 plus t squared dt. Now, how to tackle this integral right here? Well, notice it's a rational expression. Degree of the numerator is the same as the degree of the denominator. So whenever that happens, you want a long divide if possible, because it's not time to do partial fractions or anything. In fact, denominator doesn't factor, so no point. I'm going to show you a little way to avoid doing the long division. Okay, and it involves you just add and subtract 1 from the numerator. And you might say, why in the world are you going to do that? Well, watch. Make sure you keep rewriting this t squared tan inverse of t out here minus integral. T squared plus 1, I'm going to group that together. So we've got t squared plus 1 over 1 plus t squared minus, and then this little guy here, I'm going to write separately, 1 over 1 plus t squared dt. Okay. And in so doing, now I can reduce that first term. Well, let me carefully rewrite this all. T squared tan inverse of t minus integral. This is just 1, right? Oh, so lovely. 1 minus, and then leave that term alone. 1 over 1 plus t squared. You should recognize its antiderivative, dt. Beautiful. So this mess is taken care of, t squared tan inverse of t minus antiderivative of 1, just t. And then minus antiderivative of 1 over 1 plus t squared, that's going to be plus tan inverse of t plus c. And before you get too excited and start boxing this, remember, originally we let t equal the square root of x. So we need to go back and substitute all of the t's with rad x, so everything's in terms of the original variable. So we've got t squared. Well, t squared is just going to be plain old x tan inverse of rad x minus t is rad x plus tan inverse rad x plus c. And that concludes the integral of the day. I hope you enjoyed it and hope everyone has a lovely Thursday. My husband woke up bright and early to catch the World Cup. It's the highlight for him right now. So hope everyone's doing well. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can catch me on Instagram and TikTok at Math TV with Professor V. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.